All right, today we're going to paint the base, the very bottom under part of our owl. So we're going to start with a plain toilet paper tube, an empty one, and you should be able to see your name right in the bottom. There's mine. It says Miss White. Now, the first thing we need to do is get this base the right shape. Right now, it doesn't have this top of my owl where I can see his two ears. So you're going to take it and you're going to take your thumb and you're going to push it into the middle. Make sure your name is on the bottom still. We can still see that. So you take it and you push to the middle all the way down. And now it's half folded. And I would come to this side, do the same thing. Take my thumb, push it into the middle. And if I push, it looks like little owl ears. So let me unfold it and show you again. You're going to go ahead to the top on one side and push with your thumb into the middle, and then let go. It should stay. And come onto this side and push into the middle, pinch it, and it should be ready to go. It should stand up and be the little owl's ears. Now my name is in the bottom, and I'm going to put my fingers in here and open them up like Mr. Alligator Scissors to hold my toilet paper tube, to hold my base, my sculpture, so that I can turn it and I can see all around it. Then you're going to come and get some paint on your paintbrush, and you're going to paint your owl with just up and down. So I go up and down, up and down. And you can always reach in and get more paint and go up and down, up and down. I don't want it too drippy, so I'm going to come back, fix some of those areas, up and down, up and down. Turn it, up and down, up and down, up and down. Turn it, up, down, up, down. Now if I look closely, this is nice and smooth and covered. I don't see any brown in between, but then there's a hole. So if I see holes, if I see areas where I can see the tube, the brown, I need to come back and paint up, down, right on top of it, because we don't want it to show. We want it to look like a sculpture. Now I'm going to paint the very top, get a little more on, and in here it's not quite as straight. I can't just go up and down. So I'm going to do my best to just cover all the brown, gentle with the brush. Am I hurting their hair? No, I'm being really gentle. So careful, we don't want to smash it. Get a little more paint. And I need to get in here and paint it. And then I need to look carefully. I see a little bit of brown right there, so I need to paint it. Get the tops of his little ears painted. Turn it, and I might need to do right in here. Oh, I see more brown. And I'm going to paint all the way in here, cover all those areas. I don't want to be able to see them. Gentle with the brush, not hurting it. So that if it stays down, it should look all my color. My color is blue and turquoise. The bottom is not done yet, though. It's still messy looking. So I'm going to move it a little further out, and we're going to go down, but be careful. I don't want to paint my whole hand. I'm not doing big, messy moves. Going little moves. Down, 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 down. Little ones. Down, 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 down. I'm going to turn my hand down, 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 down. I still see a little bit of brown, so I'm going to be careful and fill that in. Down, 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 down. I need a little more paint. Little moves. Cover it up. Make sure there are no holes. Down, 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 down. And when I think my whole tube is painted, check for any little spots. Be careful, artist, looking. See if there's maybe any little spots you can fill in. When you're totally done, you'll come over, you'll put your paintbrush down, and you'll come over and you'll pick it up. The sides should be dry. That's the first thing we painted. And set them up to dry just like this. So next week we can add our eyes and beak and wings and make it look just like an owl.